Since 2002, Greek translator Ioannis Economou has been the chief translator of the European Parliament, with 32 languages. He studied all 12 official EU languages, and now speaks many more, including Bengali, Swahili, and Turkish. Number 3. Did you know the most requested funeral song in England is by Monty Python? A survey of funeral directors by Cooperative Funeral Care, for the BBC, found that the most frequently requested song to play at funerals in the United Kingdom is Always Look on the Bright Side of Life by Monty Python. It beat out Frank Sinatra's My Way. But wait until you get stuck at a red light. The National Association of City Transportation Officials says that the average time spent waiting at a red light is 75 seconds, accounting for approximately 20% of all driving time. That's a whole lot of time doing nothing. Number 6. Did you know a bolt of lightning contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread? If you consider that each bolt of lightning contains more than 5 million joules of energy, then the average 1000-watt, 2-slice toaster could be powered for 84,000 minutes with just one strike. That's just enough time to toast about 100,000 slices of bread, bagels, English muffins, whatever you prefer. Number 7. Did you know President Lyndon B. Johnson owned a water surfing car? President Lyndon B. Johnson would surprise guests at his Texas ranch by driving them down the hill in his amphicar, claiming the brakes had gone out. Once it hit the lake, their panic would subside when they realized the car had been designed to function in water. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.